Hello, welcome on MSS Botany. In this video, we will see the reproduction in the bacteria. Generally, there are three types of the reproduction in the bacteria. First is the binary fission, second is the endospore formation, and third is the genetic recombination. As there is no sexual reproduction in the bacteria in the true and the definite form, but a combination of the two genetic material takes place and it is known as genetic recombination. This is considered as the sexual reproduction. Genetic recombination can occur in the three ways. First is the conjugation, then transduction and transformation. In this video, we will see the conjugation in the bacteria. So, conjugation is if two changed form of the same bacteria are kept together, means when we kept the two forms of the same bacteria, the genetic material of the one bacteria is transferred into the another bacteria through the tube cell, and this is called the conjugation tube. In this process is known as the conjugation. So in this picture we will see that the two bacteria are taken, and in this the bacterial or the genetic material, it is transferred from this tube. This is called the conjugation tube, and the process is called the conjugation. In conjugation, the bacteria are often In conjugation, donor bacteria are often male cells, means the cell which donate the chromosome are always a male cell, and the recipient cell are called the female cell. This is the female cell. Most of the experimental work on conjugation has been done on the transfer of the F factor. It is also called the fertility factor, and it is taken in the plasmid of the Escherichia coli. So most of the study has been done in the E. coli species, that how F factor is transferred from the male bacteria to the female bacteria. In this figure, in this diagram, we will see here is the male bacteria, here is the female bacteria. Male bacteria will transfer the genetic material to the female bacteria with the help of this conjugation tube. The donor cell attached to the recipient cell with the pilus. We know that there are many pili are present on the bacterial cell wall. At the time of conjugation, these pilus will form a tube, and these pilus draw a cells together, and with the help of these pilus they will attach to the each other, and from that tube the genetic material will be transferred from one bacterial cell to the another bacterial cell. The cells which transfer the F factor, the cell in which F factor is present, it is represented by the F positive factor, that is donor of male cell, and the cell without F factor are donated by the F negative factor. F negative factor are the recipient or the female cell. F factor has the genes that codes for the component as well as the proteins. Means these are the F factor are the genes that code for the component of the protein, and these are involved in the biogenesis. So in this diagram we will see that how this gene is transferred from that pilus tube to the another bacterial cell, that is the F. Here is the F negative cell and here is the F positive cell, but after the transfer of the bacterial genetic material, both cell will become the F positive cell, because both have its genetic material and they are ready to transfer the genetic material to the another bacterial cell. One strand of the plasmid DNA will transfer to the recipient cell. Recipient cell synthesize the complementary strand to become the F positive cell. This will become the F positive cell. the donor synthesis a complementary stand and restoring it complete plasmid. This bacterial cell will again restoring its plasmid. Okay. So in this video we have seen the bacterial conjugation. In next video we will see the bacterial transduction. Thanks for watching.